In our past paper, like 2025 June 4 question paper, we are having one stack related operation, that is they'll give you one stack full of elements. Okay, these are having the operands and the operators. We have to pop the elements and we have to evaluate this expression, mathematical expression. How do we do that? I am just naming this functionality as the calculate, and in this function I'll evaluate the expression present in the stack. First, how do we get the element? We just need to take the first element as the total starting element. Okay, and after calling this one, I'll make the total. Okay, that means total evaluation. Total is equal to first popped element. Okay, first popped, that will that is having the int. Then okay, I'm just writing this as a pop. Okay, whenever you call the calculate function, initially I am just popping the top element. Your top will be here. Okay, I am just popping the top element, and whenever you do the pop operation, you are returning one element which is at the top location. Then I am assigning that popped element to the total variable. Now total is having 10. Okay, after popping that, your top gonna move to the third element, correct? Okay, then we just need to pop all the elements again and again until the top reaches -1. Okay, then I am going to use the while loop, while top not equal to -1. Okay, until the top not equal to -1, we have to continuously do the pop operation. Then how do we do that? First let me pop the next occurring element, that will be the operand. Okay, operand is equal to pop. Operand is equal to pop. That means I'll get this plus into my operator. Sorry, this is operator. Okay, operator variable. Okay, and after that, immediately in the same instance, in the same iteration, I have to call the next indexed element as well, so that I can finish one binary operation, correct? Okay, if you want to perform the plus operation, you need two numbers, because plus is a binary operator. In total, we are having the first element. Okay, after that we are having the operator. After that, if you pop this element as well, that means immediately after the operator element, okay, we will get the next operand as well to perform the operation. I am taking that to the number is equal to pop. Okay, till now we popped 10 is in the total, and plus is in the operator, and then after the plus, that is the number, 3 is in the number. Then can you perform the operation with them? Yes, we can perform, but first we have to check if operator is equal to plus. If operator is equal to plus, then we have to perform the plus operation. Then total is equal to total already present total plus the number we got. Then total will be the new total. If operator is equal to minus, then we have to perform the minus operation. Total is equal to total, previous total, minus the number. Okay, then if you are having the few more operators, then we have to write the elif statements according to that. And let me end this with the else with a nothing. Okay, after that the top after that it will iterate. Okay, this whole operation gets iterate till the top becomes -1. Okay, let's go with the another thing. Suppose we calculated 10 plus 3. Now the total is 13. Okay, now the top will be here. Okay, after one iteration the top will be at the first index. Okay, then we pop the element. Okay, that means whatever the operator is there, we are taking that to the operator variable. Now top will be here. Okay, after that we are again popping that element, then we are taking that number, top will become -1. Okay, then we are popping that to the variable number is having 2, and if operator is equal to plus, no, operator is not the plus, then we'll go with the elif operator. Minus, yes, operator is minus, already total is 13. Okay, 13 minus number, what is the number having, number is having 2, 13 minus 2, then that will be the 11. Now after finishing the whole stack, now our total will be like 11. Okay, after completing the whole stack, we just need to return that return total. Okay, this is how you can use this stack for evaluating any expression. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.